Now what do we write after the close, right? Next step, markets closed, we're relaxed, had a solid game plan today. We went into the day bullish. We had a game plan for a higher opening, a game plan for a flat opening, got the opening, and then we immediately shifted into what does that opening mean based on our expectation for the day. So we're proud that we had a good game plan going into the day. Right? Now, we didn't say anything about it was magical or anything like that. It was what we expected to see happen during the day, and it was solid. Our game plan unfolded according to what we were looking. Bullish side was the correct play for the day. Now, here's the key. Here's how you use your trading journal to learn. But I should have been more aggressive with my share size and multiple positions. The market was obvious. Do you see how you're making this distinction after the market closes? It was something that you want to learn from and take into the market next time. So you can say to yourself, what does a great market looks like? Actually, this is something you want to write down. I'm glad I brought this up right now. If you don't know what great looks like, everything looks the same. So now we're making a journal entry here saying, I understand what everything in my day looks like. And this was a really good day to trade. I'm happy I had a good day. I am happy that the market was the correct play. But I'm a little disappointed because the market was obvious, and I should have recognized it. I should have been more aggressive with my share size. I should have been more aggressive. Today the market was offering more. Next time I need to take advantage of that. So do you see how your journal becomes a script for your success when you pay attention and you write this stuff down? Obviously after you learn this stuff, right, in the course. So good job of exiting into the extreme tick readings at the end of the day. So I'm making a comment. I'm happy that I read those tick readings. Now, was it the exact top? Who cares? I'm not going to get the exact top. I was making a decision based on a market internal, right? So another good part of the trade. Shaken out of one long that pulled back 50 cents for a small loss on the trade. So maybe that trade pulled back a little bit more. Maybe I had in my mind there was a certain amount I was going to give it wiggle room. Now, here's the part that you might have missed. Shaken out of one long that pulled back 50 cents for a small loss. So small loss is telling you immediately it wasn't that far against me. But remember when we said that the whole market was strong and the market was obvious. In this case here, we were okay with allowing a stock to pull back in exchange for a much bigger move. That's a big part of trading, getting to the point where you allow stocks to breathe in exchange for the next big move in that direction. But you need to learn, and that's what we're going to do in the program together, you need to learn how to make that assessment of the market being obvious versus you're trading for cash flow to determine how much you're going to be willing to let a stock pull back. And this is all the exciting stuff that we're going to learn together in the program. So again, just a fictional number here. Made $689 for the day. A profitable day, but it should have been better because the price action and the volume was strong. I need to believe in my edge and trade bigger next time. So I'm implying I saw it, I made the call, I had a couple of trades, but it should have translated into a bigger trading day. And again, I've used an example where you make 3,000 or you make 1,000 on a day, you should have made 3,000. This is what we're trying to get across. Now, this is a day where the market was obvious. There's going to be other days where you're looking at a trade and you're writing stuff during the day. Gosh, it's hard to read. What am I not seeing? What am I missing? And maybe at the end of the day in the journal after the close, you can be, you know what? I wasn't missing anything. This was a really crappy day. There wasn't a lot of well-bid candles. There wasn't a lot of good momentum. The institutional order flow wasn't as obvious. I should have did a better job reading the daily candles. Maybe I shouldn't have even been in those stocks. That kind of stuff. A lot of inside days today. I shouldn't have been in it. Again, that's what you find in your journal. That's why your journal is the most powerful, amazing trading book you will ever read. And once we understand and go through all the stuff of how to set up order flow, how to read saturation points, how to read momentum, how to read candlesticks, how to do trade management, all of this stuff we're going to discuss in the course together, that's the framework for what you're going to be making the observations on that go into your trading journal, which will give you immediate feedback like we wrote here. Good day, should have traded bigger, didn't recognize it. Next time I'm going to do it, here's what I need to see. Trading journal is awesome. It is everything. Pick it up in the next video.